Good morning, students. Welcome to our online classes. Student, this is your computer class. Student, today I am going to start your book and I am going to explain your first chapter. After we will do exercise. This is your first chapter, knowing about your computer. The introduction of computer. After that, input device, and in this chapter we will discuss about input device, processing and output device and storage. So firstly, introduction of this chapter. So computer is an electronic machine that is able to take data and process it to make new information. There are four main processing steps in computer, and they are input, process, output and storage. The introduction of computer and about input, output and storage and processing I will taught you in last live video, but for this chapter, for this book, we will discuss them again according to this book. Okay, so first point is input device. The device through which you enter data and instructions in the computer are called input device. The device through which you enter data and instructions in the computer are called input device. Okay, there are some example of input device like keyboard, mouse and other, because we give data and information through these devices. Like keyboard, if you want to enter any data, you will mostly use keyboard. Keyboard is the most frequently used input device. It contains a grid buttons that called keys. You press the key to enter data into computer in the form of words and numbers. So then keyboard is an input device, and it contains grid of buttons, they called keys, and you press the key to enter data into the computer, and you enter data in the form of words and numbers. Okay students, so this is an input device. Next is mouse. And a mouse is a pointing device that allows us to feed data into computer by pointing, dragging and dropping. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on the top. You draw at the picture and select object and text on the computer. As you can see in this picture, these are mouse and this is keyboard. Friend, that I told you in last video, light pen is also an input device. As you can see in this picture, a light pen is also a pointing device like mouse, which is used for drawing object directly on the computer screen, and it is used to draw pictures on the screen. Barcode reader. Student, in shopping complex and other market area, you can see this device. This is barcode reader, and this is also giving data to the computer. A barcode reader is an input device which used to scan and decodes barcodes, and it contains a light source, a lens and a light sensor. It can identify a particular product number, person or location through these barcodes. After reading the codes and barcodes, send the information to the computer. Student, that I told, the devices that give the information to the computer, these are called input devices. So barcode reader is giving barcode to the computer, means this giving the information to the computer. So this is called also a input device. So next is microphone. Microphone is giving sound or voice to the computer. A microphone is an input device which is used to give input to a computer in the form of sound or voice. It is generally used to recording sound. Next is scanner. I also discussed about scanner in last class. Scanner is an input device that help us to put printed picture, text, illustration into a computer. It reads the image and translates the information and send the information to the computer. So this is also called input because this gives the information to the computer. This is also give the information to the computer. Then this is also an input device. Okay, student. So next is webcam. A webcam is a camera that help us to put images into the computer directly clicking them. It is used for web chat as it helps us to see the person you are chatting with. Okay, student. So next is joystick. I told you about this device in last video. This is also an input device. This is used to play game on computer. A joystick is an input device that is used to play game on computer. It has a handle, as you can see in this picture, with a spring button on the top, and this help us to play game on computer. Next is OCR stand. OCR stands for optical character recognition. It is used to read printing text from an image and that has been already scanned and stored as a text. Student, this machine can read the printed text from any image. Okay, and it can store the information as text in the computer. Means it's also give information to the computer. So this is also an input device. Next is OMR. OMR stand for optical mark recognition. It is also known optical mark reading. It is using for reading the data by identifying certain marking on a document like surveys or tests. I hope you know OMR sheets. About OMR sheets, in competition examination we give test on OMR sheets because OMR sheets checked by this machine. So this can store information from sheet and give the information to the computer. Means it's also give the information to the computer. Okay, students. So this is also an input device. Next is MICR. MICR stands for magnetic ink character recognitions. It is used to read special characters printing in magnetic ink, like the number character found at the bottom of the check. It is mainly used to bank because magnetic ink characters are difficult to forge. So student, these are input devices we discussed. Next, output devices, we will discuss them in next video. Thank you, student. Thank you for watching this video.